Hello and welcome to Math with Otun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. Alright, in this video we're looking at variables on both sides with brackets. Variable on both sides with brackets. So right, we have brackets on one side, and then we also have variables on both sides. Alright, remember the first thing we have to do is to open the bracket, right? Okay, and remember the method 2 we used in the previous video. We can't use that method here because if we do, we'll only be complicating the equation. Let's say we want to divide both sides by 2, it won't solve anything for us, okay? And that's why I told you that you must pay attention to every method and then know when to apply which one. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here will be to clear the brackets. All right, so let's distribute 2 to each of the term inside the bracket. So we have 2 times x. That's 2x, right? 2 times 1, and that is 2, okay? Brackets cleared, all right? And on the other side, we already have x plus 5. All right, the next thing to do is to collect the like terms, all right? Collect like terms. So we'll bring the variables together on one side, and then bring the constants together on the other side. So here we have 2x. So let's go find the other x. On the other side, positive, right? We bring it to this side and it becomes negative. On this side, we already have a positive 5 and a positive 2, right? On the left-hand side. We take it to the right-hand side and it becomes a negative 2. So with this, we have collected the like terms, all right, on both sides of the equation. Right, so 2x minus x is 1x, right? And I told you that when you're writing 1x, you don't need to put 1. Once we see the letter, we know that it's just one of it there, all right? So that's x. And then 5 minus 2 is 3, all right? So that means x equals 3. Easy peasy, right? Okay, but we still need to do our check. We need to do our what? Check. All right, so let's put it back into the equation. We have 2 bracket 3 plus 1, since x is 3 now, right? And then that would be equals to 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 1 is 4, so that would be 2 times 4 equals 3 plus 5, 8. So let's check. 2 times 4, 8. That means we're correct. Checked. All right, so that's it. So remember, the first thing will be that you clear the brackets, and then once you clear the brackets, you collect your like terms, and remember to take note of the signs, okay? When you're moving across the equal sign, you know you're changing direction. If it is positive, it changes to negative, and if it is negative, it changes to positive, all right? Okay, and then simplify and get your final answer. Thank you. All right, before we say bye, do well to check the exercise in the comments and practice. Practice is very important. If you don't practice, you soon forget it. All right, so practice and let's know how you're doing. I'd like to hear from you. Thank you. Bye.